Okay everyone, so in this Wix tutorial we're gonna learn how to delete a Wix website in 2021. So let's do this. Just log into your Wix account. After that, just go up to the top left corner and click on this drop down menu and go down to this one. Go to all sites. Click on that. Alright, so here you see all of your sites. So just choose the one you want to delete. So I want to delete this one. So all we need to do is just click on this drop down menu in the top right corner of your website overview and go all the way down to this one, move to trash. Click on that. Alright, so now you got this pop-up. Once moved to trash, your site becomes unpublished and can't be edited. Okay, so I'm gonna go and click on move to trash, like so. Now we're gonna go to this one, trash. Click on that. Okay, so in the trash, we see the site right here. You can restore the site if you like, but if you want to delete the site permanently, we're gonna click on Site Actions right here in the top corner. Click on the drop-down menu, and we're gonna click on this one, Remove Site. And now we got this pop-up, Remove Site. Once removed, you lose all versions, site history, and won't be able to restore or edit it again. Alright, so just go and click on remove, and that's it. Comment below if this worked out for you. Also, check out my full Wix tutorial playlist in the description below. Subscribe for more of these tutorials. Have an awesome day, take care, and bye.